Well, this is Tim Hegarty one last time for the Virtual Training Company, and we just finished up C++ fundamentals. Good for you if you made it all the way through all of that, and it's quite a language, isn't it? And if you already knew C, you've found out that C++ is not all that much different. The language is not that much different. The way you think about programming, that's a little different. You have to think about some new concepts, some new paradigms, as they used to say in encapsulation and inheritance and things like that. We took a look at classes and class members. We got into functions within classes, the scope of different functions, and then of course we got into constructors and destructors in classes to create all the memory objects that a class needs to do its job, and then the destructor to take it all apart again when a particular class goes out of scope and has to be removed from the system. We looked at all kinds of statements, labeled statements and expressions and declaration statements, and a whole bunch of them. A lot of them still from C, but a few new ones from C++. We looked at containers in there. We looked at inline functions, namespaces, so that we could have some greater subdivision and a little easier naming of things with namespaces. Looked at our public, protected, and private access specifiers, and then we finished up with exception handling. Because if we all write good code, but now and then you're going to use a library that didn't write it as good as maybe they could have. So you want to be able to pick up those exceptions and take care of them so your user doesn't see them. I've thoroughly enjoyed presenting this course for you and giving you this information. I hope you enjoyed receiving it. And if you want to drop me a line, it's tim@hegarty.com. No problem. So again, thank you very much for being a client of Virtual Training Company and going through the C++ fundamentals course. I hope to see you again on the video sometime soon. Take care.